Alright, so when we talk about traffic, so let's start with the basic ground about traffic. So you cannot make money online with traffic. You cannot build a business with traffic. Traffic is just one of the elements. Now, although this 2 days training, we're just going to focus on that, but you got to have the rest of the elements in order for you to build a business. So when you want to have traffic, you must have a marketing campaign. So my business revolves around campaigning. So when we talk about campaign, what is the most important part? Well, there are 2 key things. Is that who is your market? Who you want to sell to? And the second one is what is your offer? Whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's physical products, whether it's digital products, what is your offer? So you got to build up your campaign. And from your campaign, it's advisable that you have a funnel for your campaign. So after you sell the first product, you got to have other products that you can offer to your existing customers or your new customers. Now, if you understand that, you will understand that your traffic activities, it is not the main focus. It is something that you do once you have your campaign up and running. And when I teach you through this training, in this class, right? When I teach you in this class, in this training, I'll be teaching you strategies based on the things that I've done in the past, I'm currently doing, or what I'll be doing in the future. I'm not here to impress upon you about things that doesn't work. I want to impress upon you with all these theories, for instance, example, the concept of, say, getting traffic for influencers, right? I don't want to teach you the concept. I'm going to teach you what works. So when I teach you what works, it can be very boring or it can be very exciting. You may have seen this. You may have never seen this before. But I can tell you one thing, that this stuff works. And when I teach you, all my things are based on just 2 things. It has to be strategic and it's based on systems. I don't do much things nowadays that are not systemizable. Means if I was to do this speaks to this component speaks to this component, so that I can get all these results. And it's not a tactical approach. So a tactical approach is that I can tell you, hey, you go and leave some comments on people's fan page. Somebody will bound to see your comment and then you get some traffic from there. So that is a very tactical approach. Because you just do it one time off and you may never repeat that. A system is something that you can repeat. And what do I mean by strategic? Strategic means that you're doing this particular action for a purpose. Like, if you were to play a chess, right? Strategic means that how are you going to win the game, the match? Tactical would be moving this piece to eat this piece. That would be tactical. Yes, you can, but you cannot be a long-term business by being tactical. But tactical is very, very, very powerful when you have a strategy. So you apply tactical approach into the whole strategic game and you will win the game. Right? We're just going to go to number 2. Traffic cannot be created. So, the second foundation that you need to understand on a strategic level is don't waste your time trying to create traffic or to generate traffic in that sense. So marketers like to tell you, they have the latest software to create traffic. So you cannot create traffic. It doesn't work that way. The whole strategy here, it's how you tap on someone else's traffic. So this is where I explained to you the difference being tactical or being strategic. A tactical person will try to think, hey, how to get traffic? Right? To be strategic is that I locate the source of the traffic And then I find tactical approach to tap on that traffic source. So, for instance, to give you a very classic example, to be very simple, let's say you are selling a product about Donald Trump. Let's say, right? And which website speaks about Donald Trump quite often? Let's say, CNN, right? Let's say. So you know CNN has your traffic. That is the source of the traffic. Now you need to think on a tactical approach. How can I tap on CNN's traffic to my website so that I can sell stuff related to Donald Trump? I'm speaking a bit slower so that you can pick up what I'm trying to teach you here. So once you understand this game, every time you want to get traffic, it's very easy for you to go to the so-called the drawing board and see, hey, who has my traffic right now? And that's where I'm going to go ahead and get it from. And all of the strategies of the traffic generation methods that I'll be teaching you in these 2 days are based on this foundation. Where are the traffic, and let's go and get it. And the third point is this. The only traffic that counts is targeted traffic. No other traffic matters. So if you understand this again for strategic purpose, you're not worried about the cost. You're more concerned on whether this traffic converts or not. So as a marketer, we are focused on having targeted traffic because we know targeted traffic will be able to generate income for us because it's fall back to point number one, that the traffic is one of the components of a marketing campaign. So if you understand you have a marketing campaign, you drive targeted traffic to your marketing campaign, you make money. So we're in the business of conversion. We're not in the business of generating traffic, so to speak. So once you get this done, right, you figure out how much money can you make for your marketing campaign. And then you see your cost of acquisition for that traffic to come in. And that is where you have a system. That's how I build my business. And again, I'll be sharing with you the traffic system. And lastly, a good traffic source has these 3 key factors. Unlimited, it's scalable, and within control. Now, preferably, the traffic source has 3 of that, but you can't have 3 of that all the time. So let me explain to you what do I mean by that. What do I mean by this? And why it's important for you to know that? Because if a traffic source doesn't have any of this ingredient, you should not even spend a single minute on it. Right? Because if you're spending time on those, it means you're being very tactical. So first is unlimited. Unlimited means that, let's say if you start to get traffic from this traffic source, let's say your marketing campaign is deployed and you're driving traffic from here and it works. It means that this traffic source will not finish. It will always be there. I mean, in theory, it's unlimited. The traffic source cannot finish, cannot end visitors. They will always have visitors to that traffic source. The next one is always scalable, which is when you deploy a marketing campaign and with X amount of traffic, you can make money, you can break even, you're able to drive more traffic to your marketing campaign so that you can scale your business. And lastly, it must be within control. What is within control? It means that if you want the traffic right now, you can get it. If it's not within control, for instance, SEO is not within control, right? SEO will give you unlimited traffic because every day there will be someone searching for that stuff, but it is not scalable and it is not within control, right? So I don't deal with SEO traffic in that aspect. But if you know SEO, or if your website do get ranked, fantastic. I'm not saying that don't do it. I'm saying that, if you have that, figure that out. If you crack the code, use it. If your website by default is getting traffic from SEO, perfect, wonderful. It's amazing traffic because it falls into point number 3. Because it's highly targeted traffic. So If you understand these 4 points, then you can start doing what we call traffic generation. Then you have a clear cut where you should get your traffic from. You have a clear cut where, or should I say, how you should get your traffic.